Transform boxes of your favorite mac and cheese into my cheesy macaroni salad, perfect for potlucks and picnics. Start by bringing a large pot of water to a boil, removing the cheese packet from the box and cooking the pasta as directed on the box. While the pasta is cooking, let's make the dressing. In a bowl large enough to accommodate all of the cooked pasta, add in the mayonnaise, sweet relish, some apple cider vinegar or white wine vinegar, and a little bit of granulated sugar and onion powder. Give everything a whisk until dissolved, and then start adding in the packets of the cheese powders from the macaroni and cheese boxes. Once added, whisk until dissolved, making sure to scrape down the sides so all the cheese gets into the dressing. Once the noodles are ready, rinse it with cold water to stop the cooking process, and then let them strain. Meanwhile, prepare all the veggies. Here I have some celery, some shallots, bell pepper, and then add them into the dressing. To that, then add half of the cooked and cooled pasta, fold them into the dressing until well coated, and then add the rest of the pasta. Cool the prepared salad for about half an hour and you're ready to enjoy. Find the full recipe at frenchkisscook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.